Hey, let's slow down for a moment. I want to share something that might genuinely help you out. There's a product that's been getting a lot of love lately, not because of hype, but because people are having real positive experiences with it. It offers a smooth, comfortable performance, it's designed beautifully, and it's so easy to use that it just blends into your routine without any stress. The thing that surprised me most was how naturally it fit into my day. It didn't require effort, it just made things easier. If that sounds like something you'd appreciate, then take a moment and click the link in the description. It might be exactly what you've been needing. Hey, real quick, before you scroll away, you need to check the link in the description. Trust me, this is one of those things you don't want to miss. This product is everywhere right now, and for good reason. It's smooth, it's solid. Hey, let's slow down for a moment. I want to share something that might genuinely help